welcome back again. Still Miss Peace. Our subject for today is basic science and technology. And our theme for today is basic science. The topic for today is water, flotation, identification of things that float and sink in the water. And we have our lesson objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to know the object that floats on water and object that sinks in the water. Let's start with the object that floats in the water. We all know that water is very, very important to all living things, to all creatures. Then we have water which falls as rain is found in streams, ponds, wells, rivers, oceans, etc. Some objects float on water, that is, they stay or move on the surface of the water. And objects that float on water are light. They must be very light before they can float on water. We have some examples of those objects that can float in water. We have number one, light dry wood. We have number two, blown balloon. We have number three, paper. We have number four, cup. We have number five, plastic spoon. Number six, feather. And we have number seven, closed empty plastic bottle, and so on and so forth. Let's look at what we have here. We have number one, we have light dry wood. You can see my light dry wood. You can see it's floating in the water. Then we also have empty plastic bottle. You can see them. You can see it. Then we also have leaves. You can see them floating. We also have paper. You can see them. We also have plastic spoons. Plastic spoon. You can see them floating on the surface of the water. Then let's look at objects that doesn't float on the surface of the water. We have an object that goes below the surface of water is said to sink. Those objects that cannot move on the surface of water. And those objects that are made up of what? Metals. And heavy objects usually will sink in water. We have examples. We have like nail, a bottle filled with water, a clay ball, a metal key, and stone. Let's have our own metal object. You can see this object now. It doesn't move on the surface of the water. You can see it. We have our stone. It doesn't move on the surface of water. You can also see other examples here. You can see them. You have a nail. You can see the pictures. The object that floats and the one that sinks. Thank you so much. We have come to the end of our class today. Hope you enjoyed the class because I enjoyed myself. Please go to our class dojo for your classwork. See you next time and take care.